Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the third letter of the alphabet, that is letter C, which is a consonant, and its sound and the words that we will make with k sound. Uh, let's start with the lesson number 3. K, 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 cake. Oh, that's a yummy strawberry cake. Who likes a strawberry cake? I like it so much. Do you like it? Now the revision of letter A sound. Apple. Ant. Airplane. X. And the letter B sounded b, banana, b, ball, b, book, b, boy. And that boy is carrying a b, bag. Now the letter C sound. The letter C have two sounds, one soft and one hard sound. Letter C, the sound of letter C is k, 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 k. Carrot, k, k. Car, k, k. Clock, k, k. Cow. Have you noticed that we are learning the first word like carrot, banana and apple? These are healthy fruits and vegetables, so you should eat healthy. Now let's come to the blending of letter sounds. K, ca, k, ca, k, ca, with a single clap. Ca. Ca, cat. Ca, cat. Ca, cap. Ca, can. That can be a Pepsi can or any type of can. Do you know about cat? Who likes cat? Cap. Do you know about cap? You took and you go outside in the sun. And the can. There are many types of food, like you have the fresh food, you have canned food, and you have frozen food. That canned food comes in a can, and the can of a bottle also. And the chapter 2 of our phonic book is cat. Cat. There is a very cute cat. You can color it. And there is a cap. Would you like to color these? And when you color these, you will speak like cat, cap, cat, cap. So moms, when your child is coloring these pages and speaking and coloring and enjoying, having fun, so they learn more, and you have to discuss with them the other sounds of letter C and camel, cloud, cake, come. These are the k words. So you can let them guess about the letter sounds, so they can discuss with you. Thank you.